Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Novodesk Laminator machine with 4D laminating sheets. For anyone who loves crafting, office organization, or preserving important documents, the 4-in-1 Creative Laminator Kit is a versatile solution that combines efficiency, precision, and portability. This all-in-one set comes with 4D laminating pouches 10xA4, 15xA5, and 15xA6 along with a built-in razor-sharp paper trimmer and a child-safe corner rounder. Whether you're laminating baby photos, diplomas, cafe menus, DIY flashcards, or important school documents, this kit turns everyday paper into spill-proof, long-lasting keepsakes with minimal effort. One of the standout features of this thermal laminator is its ability to produce smooth, bubble-free results. Thanks to its built-in dual rollers, it applies steady pressure during the laminating process, ensuring a flawless seal without wrinkles or air pockets. The result is clean, flat, and durable documents that are easy to read and resistant to wear, making it perfect for professional, educational, or home use. Efficiency is key with this device. Preheating takes just 3 minutes, and it operates at a high speed of 280 mm per minute, making it ideal for last-minute office presentations, classroom materials, or crafting projects while saving time for other tasks. The simple plug-and-play design means there's no complicated setup, just wait for the ready indicator light to illuminate, feed in your pages, and begin laminating immediately. The 4-in-1 Laminator Kit also prioritizes convenience and portability. Its slim 9-inch body and lightweight design allow it to fit easily in a desk corner, drawer, or handbag, making it simple to move between home offices, classrooms, or craft tables. The included paper trimmer and corner rounder help create a neat and professional finish for each project, whether it's an A4 photo, ID batch, menu, or study notes. This combination of speed, precision, and portability ensures that everyday laminating jobs are handled with ease and reliability, offering a durable solution for both personal and professional use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.